Hello, friends! If you are looking for the best new Victorinox watches, you are in the right place. All the watches product buying links are given in the video description. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and press the bell icon for my new videos notification. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment section. Number 7. Victorinox Swiss Army Men's I.N.O.X. watch. Durable, accurate, and affordable everyday watch. Fit and finish is great, and the quartz movement is very accurate. The clasp takes a little getting used to, but is very secure. The dial is clean, detailed, and very easy to read. The lume is fairly decent as well. Thick crown guard is a nice touch, and the screw-down crown is easy to manipulate and use. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Buckle clasp. Case material, titanium. Case diameter, 43 millimeters. Case thickness, 13.58 millimeters. Band material, leather. Band size, men's standard. Band width, 21 millimeters. Band color, brown. Dial color, black. Bezel material, titanium. Bezel function, stationary. Calendar, date. Special features, luminous, second hand. Movement, Swiss quartz. Water resistant depth, 660 feet. Number 6. Victorinox Mens Fieldforce Black, Model 241847. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Buckle clasp. Case material, stainless steel. Case diameter, 42 millimeters. Case thickness, 10 millimeters. Band material, leather. Band size, men's standard. Band width, 20 millimeters. Band color, black. Dial color, white. Bezel material, stainless steel. Bezel function, stationary. Calendar, day, date. Special features, day, date. Super luminova. Screw-in case back. Water resistant, analog. Item weight, 2.4 ounces. Movement, Swiss quartz. Water resistant depth, 330 feet. Number 5. Victorinox Swiss Army Men's I.N.O.X. Pro Diver Watch. Water resistant depth, 660 feet. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Hook buckle clasp. Case material, titanium. Case diameter, 45 millimeters. Case thickness, 14.44 millimeters. Band material, nylon. Band size, men's standard. Band width, 22 millimeters. Band color, black. Dial color, black. Bezel material, stainless steel. Bezel function, unidirectional. Calendar, date. Special features, Swiss quartz, timer. Movement, Swiss quartz. Number 4. Victorinox Swiss Army Night Vision. Dial window material type, anti-reflective sapphire. Display type, analog. Double locking fold-over clasp. Case material, titanium. Case diameter, 42 millimeters. Case thickness, 13.25 millimeters. Band material, stainless steel. Band size, men's standard. Band width, 21 millimeters. Band color, black. Dial color, black. Bezel material, stainless steel. Bezel function, stationary. Calendar, date. Special features, luminous, scratch-resistant sapphire. Quartz. Dial illumination. Date window. Item weight, 10.58 ounces. Movement, Swiss quartz. Water resistant depth, 165 feet. Number 3. Victorinox Mens 249085 Original XL Swiss Quartz Watch. Item shape, round. Dial window material type, mineral. Display type, analog. Buckle clasp. Case material, plastic. Case diameter, 43 millimeters. Case thickness, 9.85 millimeters. Band material, nylon. Band size, men's standard. Band width, 21 millimeters. Band color, black. Dial color, white. Bezel material, metal. Bezel function, stationary. Calendar, date. Special features, military time on the outside of dial. Item weight, 4.23 ounces. Movement, Swiss quartz. Water resistant depth, 330 feet. Number 2. Victorinox Maverick Men's Watch 241865. Blue dial enhanced by luminous silver tone hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a brown leather band. Quartz movement. 100 meters, 330 feet water resistance. Unidirectional rotating bezel. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Solid case back. Tang clasp. Pull push crown. Case size 43 millimeters by 13 millimeters. Band 21 millimeters. Tang buckle clasp. Band material leather. Band color brown. Dial color blue. Calendar date. Special features chronograph, date, hour, minute, second. Item weight 3.81 ounces. Movement, quartz. Number 1. Victorinox Fieldforce Black Dial Men's Watch 241855. Black dial enhanced by luminous silver tone hands. Silver tone stainless steel case with a silver tone stainless steel band. Quartz movement. 100 meters, 330 feet water resistance. Fixed bezel. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Solid case back. Fold over with push button release clasp. Case size 42 millimeters by 12 millimeters. Band 21 millimeters. Item shape round. Display type chronograph. Fold over with push button release clasp. Band material stainless steel. Band color black. Dial color black. Bezel material stainless steel with a black aluminum ring. Calendar date. Special features chronograph, tachymeter, date, hour, minute. Item weight 5.43 ounces.